So here's a trick you guys probably didn't know. You can actually steal a color grade from a clip and apply it on your own. So you need a reference clip. So in my case, I've taken this reference clip from the Joker, and then you need your own video clip or whatever you have where you want to apply that color grading to. Now, please keep in mind that it's very important that the basics of the image are the same. And what I mean by that is that this is shot at night, and so is this. If this is a day shot, it won't work as good because it will really darken it down. However, this has everything we need. So we're going to the color tab. We're going to select the clip that we want to grade. We're going to the clip that we want to steal the grade from. Hit the right mouse button and then choose the shot match to this clip. And you immediately see that the color grading is being applied to your image. Now, obviously, you can tweak it around with these settings. You can make it lighter, darker, however you like it. And then if you go back, let's have a closer look at this. So here's our original clip that we used the color grading from. And then here's our own clip, and that really matches. So it makes sense if you play this. So that's a very easy way to make sure all your clips match with the color grading.